Today is July 8th, 2018. I have been binge watching Casey Neistat YouTube videos, and I've been really inspired by his vlogging, and it just really made me want to vlog more myself. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog my day. I basically have nothing going on, so I wanted to see if I could make it interesting for you guys with the power of editing. So we will see. I'm currently not really feeling too energetic, so I think I need some coffee in my system. So Urban Outfitters has free shipping, and I also have a $5 off coupon, so I'm gonna do a little browsing. There are some pants that I am debating. I'll show you guys. Hey Nathan, will you look at these pants and tell me if you like them?
Just the pants? I'm not allowed to look at the top?
Well, I'm not getting the top.
Are they pajamas?
No.
Pretty nice pajamas. Cute pajamas, good for around the house.
Time to shower. So I'm up, I'm caffeinated, I'm showered. Today is Sunday, it's my day off, and like I said before, I don't really have a lot planned, but I do need to type up some bullet points for a team meeting I have for work later tonight. I need to do some dishes, just some like kind of chores around the house. I will make some chocolate chip cookies because that just sounds great, and I can't really think of anything else I need to do, but if I do it, I'll vlog it. Taste test, please?
Can you say please one more time? 2 times wasn't enough.
No.
The first one was better. No, it was really good. I think the first batch was better. I don't know why, but this is really good.
You need chocolate on your teeth. Excuse. Yes, these ones are definitely better because the texture is correct. Before, The texture was all kinds of messed up. He's just wrong. It's getting really close to time for me to leave for my work meeting. It is 6 o'clock. I'm gonna be there at 6:30. Yeah, so I have to talk during it, and it's really not gonna be for very long. I even typed out everything like I showed you earlier. But for some reason I get really nervous talking in front of people, even though I've worked there for like 4 years and I know everyone really well. So yeah, I'm like a little nervous, not horrible. Yeah, but I'll see you guys in probably like an hour and a half. I don't think I'm gonna vlog in there. It just seems like a little weird, but yeah, I'll be back later. I am back from my meeting and it went really well, of course. There's nothing to be like anxious about. Now I'm just waiting to see if Nathan will go on a walk with me. If not, then I'm gonna come back and end the vlog. Alright. Are you going to walk with me?
No.
You won't?
Probably not. Actually, I probably will. I don't know though. Basil came running down like she was gonna go on the walk with us. Oh yeah, this is the bad shoe. This shoe always gets untied.
I am back from the walk. It was short but brisk. For the rest of the night, I'm probably just gonna cuddle in bed with my baby girl, Sprout. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys!